guys, thanks for visiting our channel. If you've clicked on this video, you're about to watch us transform this property into a home. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, I want you to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video at the end of it. Today, we are in Port Hope, Ontario. Established in 1789, the people who live here take pride in their homes, in their neighborhoods, and in their historic downtown core. The downtown is celebrated as Ontario's most preserved 19th century streetscape. The population here is just south of 17,000 people. My husband and I purchased this home for approximately $300,000. It's about 1,000 square feet. And although the exterior may be gorgeous, the interior, well, that's another story. So follow along with us as we transform this 1940s property into a home that any family would be proud to live in. Come on.
You're gonna be the girl that I end up calling my own. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending sunshine.
We're on the highway. The kids are at home with the sitter, and we're going to see our new property. We were supposed to get the property last Friday. Today's Monday. The lawyers just couldn't have it done in time, and that's okay. We had a weekend of planning, although Trevor was really peed off.
Bit of a disaster.
It was a bit of a disaster. It's 9:53 in the morning. This property is about almost an hour away. I gotta take a log off the fire here. If you're not Canadian,
we're good.
We are, and this is how we survive. I don't know how to use a power tool.
You will.
I put on Uggs this morning, and he was like, "You wearing those? You wearing Uggs to work?"
It's demo day.
I'm wearing Uggs. So, oh yeah, that I should probably tell you guys. So this property is going to be for us to renovate, flip, and then have on the market this spring. The market in Canada, or I should say the market in Ontario, is hot. Usually it is slow in the winter. we're in January right now and it's hot. There's no inventory, but there are buyers. So we're gonna try to have this ready and on the market by spring. I'm gonna try to learn during this flip from Trevor and the guys. I need to educate myself more on how to make orders and order garbage bins and drywall and the prices and all that jazz. So I thought, why not start a YouTube channel about our flip? So as I'm learning, I can teach you guys, or Trevor can teach you guys, and you can learn from our mistakes. So if you've been thinking about buying another property to rent out or to flip and sell, this could be great. Or even design ideas too. I'm gonna be learning, Trevor's gonna be doing, but why not follow along with us? If this is something that you're interested in, follow along, subscribe to my channel. And if I can do it and Trevor can do it, you guys can do it. And we're always here. If you have any questions, you can put in the comment box below or email me privately. So we're almost there, and we're almost there. I don't know how to end it. I'm so shitty at that.
You say, I'll give you guys a tour. Cut. Boom. I don't know. I'm not an editor.
Lord help me. Ask Trevor when he brings this wall down, which is right now, if the house is going to collapse. So
beams take majority of your weight, so you can see there's a triple ply beam sitting up there. It's a flush mount, which means it's up with the joist. So these joists are all running this direction, same way as that the wall is going. And that beam is also being supported in this one corner. So if you're in the corner and inside that wall, that beam is taking all this weight. So everything else in the middle doesn't really matter at this point. So this wall is redundant completely. So we are going to cut her down. Open this thing up a little bit.
right now,
Yeah.
boom.
Whoa.
So it's really important to make sure, I just slipped on ice. It's really important to make sure that we patch up this house, make sure all the holes and openings are closed off so we can avoid animals from getting in, and the elements. So no rain, no snow, no ice. So we have Eric over here. I'm gonna see if he's working right now. Beautiful work. SOFFIT and FASCIA, right? Okay, so there's this miniature door in the upstairs room. Papa Blast door is opening it now. Open, open, open.
Ah!
Okay, can you not freak me out? Is it bad in there?
There's a safe in here.
There's a safe in our attic! And a microwave. So we found a safe. Okay, so day one at our project house complete. So day one, things we completed. Knocking down the main living area walls. We also cleared all the garbage out of the main floor and the addition.
Oh, minus the bathroom.
Yeah, minus the bathroom and minus the cabinetry in the kitchen, and all the appliances need to go tomorrow. It's good.
Terrible.
We filled a complete, how much?
20 yard.
20-yard bin. completely to the top. So tomorrow we start fresh. There's another bin being put in now. It's gonna be a long day tomorrow. So things I've learned today: not to wear UGG boots to a job site.
Sure, we had this conversation this morning.
I know, but now I have like raccoon poo all over my boots.
What's got done? Oh, soffit and fascia?
Yeah, soffit and fascia. Very important to get the house or the exterior of the house patched and covered. So anyway, we are en route to get home and see our kids. It's been a long day. And then we're probably gonna have a beer and go to sleep.
Or a rye.
Or Trevor's gonna have a ride.
It's a rye day.
That's okay. Well, signing off, day one.